Variable frequency drive. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTA, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course explains how VFDs operate, their role in energy efficiency, and how to properly install and maintain them. It covers programming parameters, troubleshooting practices, harmonics, grounding, and integration with motor systems. What you'll learn? Students will learn the operating principles of VFDs, energy efficiency and power quality benefits, installation and programming methods, common parameters and configuration settings, troubleshooting of faults and alarms, and important considerations for harmonics, grounding, and protection. This course delivers expert instruction and group discussions. Students review case studies of VFD applications, study programming and setup procedures, and gain practical strategies for troubleshooting and maintenance. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, technicians, industrial maintenance personnel, plant engineers working with drives, and apprentices seeking practical VFD knowledge. This course comes with a VFD training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and supplementary learning materials. Enhance energy efficiency, reduce downtime, and optimize motor operations. Register today for FT's variable frequency drive training.